More often than not, people behave with their Python code, although sometimes they don't. These are their stories. If you don't already know what none is in Python, I'll demonstrate it. The easiest way to get none is to have a function that doesn't return anything. If you tried to print out that function's return value, you'd get a blank printout. That's because none is a constant object that is the absence of any value. In a way, it's the identity of nothing because you can never have nothing in code. Expanding on none, we have the is operator. Is tells you if two objects are the same in Python's memory. It turns out that none, it is always the same object in memory, so none is none returns true. I'll have a video in the description for you to learn more about none. Last, there is the is not identity comparison operator. Doing none is not none would give you the opposite of doing the comparison without the not, so false. In all scenarios, is not will give the opposite value of is. Okay, putting it all together now. One is not none reads as, okay, are one and none identical? Obviously not, but we're doing is not, so the opposite of obviously not is of course, and true is returned. One is, parentheses, not none. There was a surprise wrinkle in there. Is not is one single operator that works a certain way. Evaluating the not separately works differently. Here, the not converts the none to a boolean, which will be false, then flips that boolean and results in true. You're left with one is true, one and true are not identical, so false is returned. If you learn nothing else, be wary of parentheses because they can change what a line of code does. If you're trying to learn Python and want to start from the beginning, you can click into the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Like and subscribe to learn more.